How to make perfect panzanella. Start with 4 cups of day-old rustic bread. Cut into 1-inch cubes. Toast the bread at 350 degrees for 10 minutes until dry, but not browned. Chop 4 large ripe tomatoes into chunks. Peel and slice 1 medium cucumber into thin rounds. Thinly slice 1/2 a small red onion. Rip 1/2 cup of basil into small pieces. In a large bowl, combine the bread, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and basil. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar. Season with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss well to coat. Let the salad sit at room temperature for 30 minutes before serving. Panzanella is best served fresh and never refrigerated. Rustic, refreshing, and never wasteful, this is summer on a plate. Please like and share this video, and subscribe below for more recipes and tips. Thanks for watching.